negative 93. Next will be the point curve, and we will only touch the white curve. Let's have another 3 dots to create the S curve. For the top point, let's set it somewhere in 85.9. Second top, we'll set to 71.4 and 76.9. For the midpoint, let's set it to 47.5 to 51.4. For the second low point, set it to 24.7 and 20. And the low point will be 14.1. Let us now go to the color panel. For the temperature, set it to negative 6. Tint to negative 19. Let's leave the vibrance to 0 and saturation to negative 47. Also touch the color mixer. For the red, set the hue to plus 68. Saturation to negative 4. And luminance by negative 9. Next will be the orange color. Hue to negative 6. Saturation by plus 25. And luminance by negative 38. Next will be the yellow. Hue to negative 65. Saturation by plus 1. And luminance by negative 50. Next would be the green. Hue to plus 18. Saturation by negative 53. And 0 for luminance. For aqua, hue to plus 43. Saturation to negative 10 and 0 for luminance. For blue color, hue to negative 40, saturation to negative 70, and luminance by plus 90. For this edit, we don't have to touch the purple and the magenta. For the effects panel, we will only touch the split toning. This will be represent as your shadow. For hue of the shadow, we will set it to 31.